Are you looking to up your Korean barbecue game and impress your friends and family? Well, then you need to make this scallion side salad called PaMuChim for your next Korean barbecue party. PaMuChim is a must when you make Korean barbecue lettuce wrap. It's tangy, slightly salty, spicy, buttery in taste from that sesame oil, and adding PaMuChim to your lettuce wrap with Korean barbecue meat will literally start a party in your mouth with explosions of so many delicious flavors. I'm not kidding. Today, I'm going to show you two versions of PaMuChim, the simple version and an upgraded version with more vegetables, which also can be used as a tangy side salad with any entree. 오늘의 레시피, 맛있는 파무침 두 가지 종류 만들기, 간단한 파무침, 그리고 아삭아삭한 파무침 황금 레시피. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. Bon appetit! I was gonna blow on it, I don't know why. It's not hot, obviously. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. To make our PaMuChim scallion salad, we need about 5 scallions, spring onions, weighing about 60 grams. So you want to take your knife and hold your scallion, and we're just going to split the white part down the middle like that. And then we're gonna take our knife and cut our scallions into long strips at a diagonal angle like this. And it does not have to be perfect. Just we're cutting them into long strips like this. And the next one, split it down the middle like so, and just keep on going. At Korean barbecue restaurants, what they do is they first of all use daepa, which is the big green onion, and you can use that too at home. They put it through a machine. Yeah, there's actually a machine where you put the big green onion and it literally cuts into long strips. You could also soak that in cold water, let it sit there for about good 10 minutes or so, and then take it out and then put it through a salad spinner and then dry it, and you could use it that way too. But for our recipe, I prefer to use scallions, but if you don't like the taste of raw scallions, then soak it. But the point is to have scallion salad, and if you happen to live close to a big Korean supermarket, you could also buy this gadget and you could just like strip it using this gadget that you see. And then we're gonna just pick this up and add it to our bowl. To our cut up scallions, we're gonna add 1 big pinch of salt and some black pepper. I would say about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And here is my gochugaru that I always keep in a little container like this and in the fridge. I'm gonna pick up 1 big generous pinch out of here and another pinch of gochugaru. This is Korean dried red pepper flakes, coarse ground, and here is my gesogum. This is toasted sesame seeds crushed with salt. It is so good. So I'm gonna add 1 and 2 pinches of gesogum. And I actually have a recipe for making gesogum at home. Super easy, so the video will be linked below in the description box. And we're gonna add 1.5 tablespoons of vinegar. I'm using brown rice vinegar, but you could use apple vinegar or any white distilled vinegar. And then we're gonna add 1.5 tablespoons of sesame oil. So there's 1 and there's 1/2. Like that. And then we just go in and mix it. I mean, it is simple as that. I mean, it smells so good. It smells vinegary, salty, and nutty from the sesame oil. Oh, this is so good. All right, so let's have a quick taste test. So good. Oh, it's tangy, but it's salty, but not too salty. And then it has a fresh herb taste from our scallions. And then the sesame oil, ooh, just makes everything so good. And the gochugaru is not that spicy at all. I mean, you could add more if you like, but you know. All right, so I'm gonna put this to the side. And here I have another bowl with the same amount of scallions, and I'm gonna show you how to make the upgraded version. Okay, so these are our upgrade vegetables. So I have a Kirby cucumber. You could use any cucumber of your choice. I'm gonna use about half today, weighing in about less than 100 grams. I'm gonna cut the end off, cut it down the middle, and then we're just gonna slice them thin. We are going to add the cucumbers in here and 3 sweet bell peppers, weighing in about 80 grams. Cut the end off, and then we're gonna go down the middle like that, and then we're gonna remove the inside. I mean, you could use a spoon too, and then stack it, and then we're just gonna cut into thin strips. Here, let me demonstrate with a spoon. I mean, alternatively, you could also use super spicy, peppers too, like jalapeno or serrano. That is up to you. And our last one. And then we're gonna pick all this up, then we're gonna add it to our bowl. And our last upgrade vegetable, we have red onions. We need about 1/4 of a medium-sized onion, weighing in about 30 gram-ish. And then we're gonna cut them into thin strips. Then add it to our bowl. I mean, look at this. Look at how pretty this looks already. All right, so we're just gonna double up on all of our seasonings. We're gonna add 2 pinches of salt, black pepper, a generous amount. So at least 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. 4 pinches of gochugaru, Korean red pepper flakes, 2, 3, 4. 4 pinches of gaesogum, 3, 4. 3 tablespoons of vinegar. I'm using 현미소 식초, but you could use apple vinegar or any white distilled vinegar. So that's 3 tablespoons. And then 3 tablespoons of sesame oil, 참기름. 1, 2, 3. This part's optional. I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of 소고기 다시다. This is beef bouillon powder. You don't have to add this if you don't want to. Vegan friends use 1/4 teaspoon of yeondu. All right, so we're just gonna go in and mix everything up. I mean, this also really makes a nice side relish or tangy slaw when you have your barbecue party. It goes really well with grilled chicken, grilled shrimp. I'm like drooling in my own mouth right now. It smells so good. Let's have a quick taste test. Bon appetit. I was gonna blow on it. I don't know why. It's not hot, obviously. I mean, just the scallions alone was really good, but this with cucumbers and sweet bell peppers and sweet red onions together, my mouth is like having a vegetable party right now. So good. Now, of course, this is best enjoyed if you have it right away, since vegetables wilt pretty fast, but you could eat it like 30 minutes later or an hour later. When it wilts, it tastes just as good, I think, in my opinion. And then you could add a little bit of gaesogum again if you want to garnish it and make it a little pretty. We're going to put a little bit of rice here, and this is for my vegan friends. To that, we're going to add a big piece of avocado like that. And then to that, we're going to add 쌈장. This is my next week's video, so make sure to hit that notification bell. And then we're going to add our cucumber PaMuChim. You fold it over in half like this, and then you tuck, twist and turn like that, and like that, and then you squeeze it so it becomes one bite size. And then this whole thing goes into your mouth all at once. So yummy. Look at that. That's how it looks inside. I cut it in half for you so you could see how delicious this looks. Jan! Bon appetit, everyone. I mean, the scallion salad that we made just made our lettuce wraps, 상추쌈 wrap, took it to another level. Like all the notes of tangy, salty, buttery taste from the sesame oil, and the avocado was such a nice addition. So you don't have to have beef, pork, or fish with it. Although those 3 items are awesome with this lettuce wrap. And let me show you. So I want to thank you so much for watching today. And as always, if you enjoyed today's video, I would kindly ask that you click on that thumbs up icon. Doing so supports my channel tremendously. So I want to thank you in advance. And make sure to check out my Korean barbecue playlist. Yes, go to youtube.com/modernpepper. Click on that playlist tab and you could look through my Korean barbecue recipes so you could try them at home with our PaMuChim together. And next week's recipe is on how to make 쌈장. Yes, the condiment that is a must when you have Korean lettuce wrap with your Korean barbecue or with avocados. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 꼭 눌러주세요. 다음 비디오에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of the videos you see right here.